I literally just set my whole face.
I've been a throw up the sex in a
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Destiny. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to support your girl. If you read about the title, y'all already know we are doing makeup once again, y'all, but we are going to be doing eyeshadow. So somebody left a comment on my, not my last makeup tutorial, but the one before that, about doing an eyeshadow series as far as like girls with hooded eyes, and I want to thank you so much for that idea, y'all, and I think I'm going to do it. Now I know y'all already see girl basically got like a full face of makeup on except for the eyes part. I had to record like a video, y'all, using the L'Oreal setting mist setting spray. Now when I tell y'all, this is actually very good. I was a little skeptical at first because 3 seconds, let's be for real. However, I take that back. It is so good. It is so like it's such an amazing product, y'all. It is definitely up there with the one size. It's like kind of half of the price. So if you want something a little cheaper, definitely go at it. This is not sponsored. This is not anything, y'all. I'm really just giving y'all my 2 cents on it, because if it was a bad product, probably would not do a review on it. If it was a bad product, probably would not accept the thing because I had to try it first. Anyways, yeah, but y'all, I'm not gonna hold y'all. My face looks good, and let me tell y'all, this is literally no foundation. When I tell y'all, I kind of love the way my face turned out with no foundation. It's crazy, and I rushed to do this maybe like 10-15 minutes, y'all, which is crazy to me, but it looks so good. I'm definitely not mad at it. That little highlight looks good. I'm probably gonna have to record this for y'all because I was not expecting me to like it this much. I was just gonna do like a little 1, 2, and I really did 2, 3, 4, 5. Just playing with y'all. But anyways, y'all, let's go ahead and jump in it. I'm gonna try to do my eyes over this. Hopefully not too much fallout, hopefully not nothing too crazy, but I don't want to hold y'all any longer because once again, y'all know I let it ramble. So let's get to it. You gotta go in and prime the eyes. We're gonna be using the Destinasia Beverly Hills. This is their eyeshadow primer. Y'all know I told y'all in the last video, I truly do like this stuff. It is so good. I've really been using this for like a lot of my colorful eyeshadow looks because I just love the way that product like sits on the skin, looks on the skin. I just truly never had any bad experiences when it comes to this product, y'all, so I'm trying my hardest to just not be messy because like the makeup is done except for my eyes, so we just gotta do what we gotta do. It's just pat this product in where it needs to be. Okay, this is what we're looking like. A little crazy, y'all, but I didn't want to take off my full face of makeup and like redo this, so this is how we're starting off. Hopefully everything will blend it out so well. I am actually interested to see how this blends on top of my face being set, because I literally just set my whole face. And now we're doing eyeshadow. We're gonna be taking this palette right here, which is the Beast by Debb's colorful palette, y'all. I need another one. I keep saying that, but I do. I am definitely eyeing one, so we're gonna see how it is. But I'm gonna take this shade right here. This is in the shade Villain. I'm gonna take it and I'm actually gonna put it, I'm gonna put it on the outer, but I'm also gonna put it in the inner. And honestly, I don't think I told y'all, I am doing a halo eye. And on top of that, y'all, since by the time this video come out, it will be October, we are going to be doing, obviously, as y'all can see, a pink look for like breast cancer awareness. We have a few people in my family who had breast cancer, who beat it. So I just simply want to pay like a little bit of tribute to them and just do a pink colorful eye look on my YouTube channel for them. And I'm gonna add like a little small little connection right here, just so everything can like look similar in a sense. And then we're gonna take, I'm assuming this shade right here, y'all, this is in the shade Hottie. We're gonna take that shade and we're gonna blend around, like literally blend around. A good tip to this, y'all, is you want to put 50% on the product on top of that pink and then 50% of the product on the outskirts of it so it can blend, because you don't want to put it directly on top and then you lose that color, you lose that coverage. You want to keep it like in like 50%, and then you're just gonna blend. You're gonna blend around it and over it just to connect the two. And then you just do that for the rest of the face. I'm just really doing like windshield wiper motions, y'all, but then I'm doing circles. Now the best tip, I'm not gonna hold y'all, is to get a smaller blending brush, because as you can see, I'm gonna show y'all, these two are different. Like this is fluffy and this one is more like a staple, but I don't have a smaller blending brush in a sense, so I'm trying to work with what I have. I need to get more brushes actually. I probably am, but if you have a smaller blending brush and it's not as fluffy, go in with that, and that will help with the color and showing up on the skin, and it won't look too blown out already, but it still looks good, so we are okay. And surprisingly, this is blending out so well even though I set my entire face. Then we're gonna go back in with this dark pink, y'all, and just make sure we reinforce where it was at. because we don't want to lose it. And we're just putting it in those same 2 areas. And if you like I said, you can connect it right there. Then if you feel like you need to like blend out some more, you don't have to take any extra product. Just take your brush and circle over like this. And you're going to do both sides. Honestly, I'm trying to debate whether or not I want to like deepen it up even more, but I'm scared because I don't want to mess it up, and it actually looks so good right now. It up though, I was thinking this darker pink in a sense, like this right here. I think I'm gonna give it a try. I think I am, y'all. Now, if you like the way this looks right now, you can go ahead and skip this step, but I kind of want to be a little bit extra just to see how it is, y'all, and I'm really hoping that I don't mess this up. But we're gonna go in with this shade right here. This is from the Juvia's Place palette. This is their Berries palette, and I'm gonna put it like literally right there. Deepen it up, trying to be very tedious because I don't want to blow it out too much. I just want to add a little bit of dimension. And it's kind of hard to show up, y'all, because the brush is kind of wet. But I think that's a good thing, because it's making it very easy for me to like make sure I place it where I want it. Okay, that actually adds some dimension. So we're gonna do it the inside, but we're gonna do it closer to the center, y'all. We're not gonna go like this way. We're gonna go this way because we want to leave it right there where that product is supposed to sit. I want to know what's funny though. I actually recorded a Halloween look for y'all to come out on this day that this video come out, but when I tell y'all the makeup look did not turn out cute. I tried to do something with like my black eyeliner, y'all, but my black eyeliner was not giving it. It was not doing what it needed to do, so we did not do that, obviously. I kind of like how deep that is, so then we're gonna go back in with that my first shade I put down and just like swirl around it just to bring that color back and to blend out any line of demarcations, y'all. I'm gonna go back and forth between those two because I want to make sure that it looks seamless and blended. If you really want to blow it out, which is kind of what I want to do, I'm gonna take this shade, which is called Flushed. I'm gonna take this shade and put it at the very tip, and we're gonna do it high. We're looking down to make sure that it is blended seamless and blown out like that. And now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna mimic it on this side, y'all. So make sure you just take that dark shade from the Juvia's Place, whatever your darkest pink is, put it closer to the center once again, put it up because we already have product there, and then we're gonna take that pink and fluff it out. Any edges, once again, no extra product because we really got everything placed. Now, if you feel like you lose the color like I just did, I'm gonna go back in with that color, which was Villain. Tap off and just literally where that product was at originally. We're gonna take Hottie again, tap to place, and then we're gonna blend. And once again, y'all, the reason why I tap to place it is because I don't have a smaller blending brush. And lastly, take Flushed and put it higher at the very top. Now, once you get your desire, like how you like it, how you think it's gonna look, you can just go directly on top with shimmer, but I'm gonna be a little bit extra. I'm actually gonna open up this space, like take my makeup wipe remover and like free up some of this lid area. Remove product where I want it to sit at so it can sit nicely. And if you feel like you did too much like I did on this side, just go back in with the darkest color and just tap, and it'll bring it back. Typically, I would tell you to go in like cut out the crease, but for this particular shimmer that we're gonna use, really don't need to do that, y'all. So I'm gonna be going in with Miss Vanessa Myricks. This is her new stick, the multi-use pigment stick. I'm gonna use the metallic side first. This is in a duo shade 5, by the way. So we're gonna be taking Cassiopeia. I don't know how to say it, y'all. I can't say this, but we're gonna be taking this one right here. This is what it looks like, and this one you can actually swipe on the eyes, and that color, ooh, it pulls up and it looks so good. Are cooling like she said it is, y'all. It actually feels amazing on the skin. If you have the money, I say buy it. I think it's worth it. This is my second stick. I have the other one in like a gold. I'm gonna take that darkest shade and just blend to remove where I accidentally put the shimmer. I'm gonna fix it up here because I actually did mess up right there. Okay, so y'all see my lid, right? And y'all see like so my actual like fold is like right there on both of my eyes, but I brought it a little bit higher. Now if you go back and watch my first video, you will know that I did like a cut crease type of method. I put like the primer right there and like I look up and blink up and it like went up there. So you're gonna go higher than your lid because you want it to show, right? But if you need help finding it, what you're gonna do is take this brush that's used to blend out and you're gonna look for this part of your eyes. You're gonna look for the part to where it's like a little dip in between your actual lid, like your socket and everything. So that's where you want to look for to put like how high your colors are and also where you want your shimmers at and how high you want them to go. Now if you want to put a little bit more, you can. It really just depends on how much shimmer you want, how much you want it to show. Do you want a peekaboo moment? All of that truly does matter. And I kind of like the way that it's looking right here right now. So we're just gonna go ahead and move on. And because I am a little bit extra, we're gonna go in and we're gonna use the other side. This is the foil side. This is in the shade Astra. So this is literally the one where you tap, y'all. You're just gonna be able to tap it. You really can't do much. This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna tap. Ooh. Like that is pretty. Looks so good. Now I can honestly say, y'all, it's still a little pinky, but a lot of the pink did leave as far as the color of the eyeshadow, which is not eyeshadow but the foils, which is perfectly fine. I'm gonna go back in, no extra product, with that darkest shade, that brush for that, and just tap to like blend, because we want to make sure that there is no line of demarcations, that there is nothing crazy going on, and it doesn't look like we just pop color in like the center of a lid. Did it all look seamless and blended. And this is really what the top of the eyes look like, y'all. I think it turned out so good. It looks so pretty. But now what I want to do, y'all, just to have a little bit of fun, I want to put what's on top of the eyes under the eyes. So let's try to do that. Now I'm gonna be just taking my eyeliner, y'all. This is the Sephora collection eyeliner. I truly do love this stuff. I'm gonna be taking this in the shade black and I'm gonna just put it in the waterline. This will bring a little bit more dimension to the eye, y'all, because I don't want it to look crazy. But yeah, like that looks so good already. I'm gonna go in back with this darkest shade. I'm literally gonna try to do this for y'all on camera because it's gonna be hard for me. So I'm just gonna take that darkest shade and literally put it as close to the waterline as I can, and then we're gonna put the other side right here, leaving a gap in the middle. And I'm actually gonna bring it out to connect with that part, like right there. All right, taking the next shade to that, y'all. I'm gonna be careful because this brush is so big, but I'm gonna like smoke it out. This part is very tedious because you don't want to bring it down too far. I'm gonna take that very lightest, y'all, and just continue to smoke all of this out. Going back in with that metallic, literally putting it in the area where we want it to be at. In the inner corner, y'all, I'm gonna go in with Flush. I'm gonna go in with this shade. I feel like this will be a nice pop of color shade. And all right, y'all, all I did, I went ahead and add some lashes, just like 3 little clusters, and that is it. I actually went ahead and tight lined my waterline as well, and then I put a little bit of shimmer here because I thought it looked way better than like the matte, and I put some in my Cupid's bow. Is it called Cupid's bow? Not Cupid's bow. I put some up here in the little, whatever it's called, my little arch. But yeah, this is the makeup look. It is so pretty. I truly like it, y'all. I was not expecting to like it this much, but I really do. And the fact that I was able to do all of this on top of my, like I said, my makeup being set using this is crazy. I really don't have any fallout, anything up under the eyes. Everything blended so good, so smoothly. So I am utterly, thoroughly, literally impressed. But yeah, I truly like this, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this eyeshadow look, especially for the girls who have hooded eyes. If you like it, if you don't, just truly like give me y'all opinion, give me y'all thoughts, because I know doing eyeshadow can be like a little bit hectic, and if I need to slow down as far as like my detailed list on eyeshadow, let me know, because I was kind of like talking through it a little bit quick. But I hope y'all truly do and like it. Make sure y'all go check out my previous video when I did like a half cut crease with the color, and y'all also let me know what eye look you want to see next. I am literally thinking maybe like a full cut crease because I haven't done that yet, but we will see, y'all. I really have so many ideas, and I want to get into the Halloween look, so I'm very excited for that. I actually ordered 2 products to be able to do some of that, y'all, because when I tell y'all that clown look I try to do and post, yeah, no, I I did not look good. It did not look good at all in my opinion. But once again, y'all, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to support your girl. And I will see y'all, I think, Sunday in the next video. Bye.